2015 Durango RT. Customer came through and he wanted an X pipe installed, so that's exactly what we did here today. We removed the stocked resonator right there, and then we're gonna make it sound more aggressive by putting this little X pipe in there. You can either do an H pipe, an X pipe, or just two straight pipes. This will give it a little bit different of a sound as opposed to just putting two straight pipes, but the two straight pipes will be a lot, I would think, a lot less expensive, right? So that's what we did right here. Over here, I guess this is where he ran over a plastic bag, and then he kept the rear mufflers on. But what we did was change out those tips. We changed out those stock little itty bitty tips for these double wall matte black 5-inch tips. These are nice. We gotta wipe them down before he leaves, but it's pretty dope. Guys, we're gonna bring it down and fire it up for you guys to let you listen. Also, we are franchising. So G-Exhaust, if you wanna own one, all you have to do is reach out to us. We'll give you all the details. Huge profit margins, very lucrative business, high ticket sales. Oh, this is a great business to have. And like and subscribe. All right, let's hear it.